Hello and welcome to Nikolay's genetics lessons, and today is going to be another video about Venn's diagrams, which we can find in biology in many scientific papers, so it's good to know how to interpret them. And here's the problem. Some people visit the theater. The Venn diagram shows the number of people who bought ice cream and drinks in the interval. Ice cream is sold for $3 and drinks are sold for $2. Total $262 is spent. How many people bought both drink and ice cream? Our calculations would be as follows. So we know that 32 people bought drink and each drink cost $2. So $64 were spent on drinks. So drinks. We also know that 16 people bought ice cream. Each cost $3. So 16 times 3 is going to be $48 were spent on the ice cream. Next, let's add 64 and 48. So we will know how much money was spent on ice cream and drinks. And this is going to be 112. So this number tells us that $112 were spent by people who only bought drink or ice cream. But also some people bought both ice cream and drink. So what we have to do next? We know that $262 were spent total. So from $262 we have to deduct $112. And the difference is going to be $150 were spent by people who bought both drinks and ice cream. The price of the drink is $2. The price of the ice cream $3. So 2 plus 3 is going to be 5. And $150 divided by 5. This is how much people spent who bought both drink and ice cream. And we are going to find how many people bought both ice cream and drink. And this is going to be 30 people. So this is going to be our answer. So 32 people bought only drink, 16 people bought only ice cream, 30 people bought both drink and ice cream, and 22 people didn't bought anything, so we do not include them in our calculations. And we also include this 30 people in this intersection because they belong to this circle because they bought drink, and to this circle because they bought ice cream. But they also have unique properties which make them different from these people and these people because they bought both drink and ice cream. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.